It was all in the cookies. Hi everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Homemade Goodies Season 2, where we cook delicious homemade entrees. And on this episode, we will be making another one of my favorite meals, pork chops. I first had pork chops when I was a kid. My parents have different ways of prepping them. My dad marinates and grills them, and my mom seasons and bakes them. And the latter option is how we'll be making our pork chops today. And so, let's get cooking. For your utensils, you will need a pan, tongs, a bowl, a dinner plate, and a meat thermometer. And for ingredients, you'll need pork chops, cooking oil, pork seasoning, garlic powder, seasoned salt, and flour. First, set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add seasoned salt, garlic powder, and pork seasoning to both sides of your pork chops. And once you have your pork chops seasoned, roll them into your flour. Then, pour cooking oil into your pan and turn the heat on to high. When your oil is ready, add your pork chops into the pan. Cook the chops on each side for 5 minutes. When both sides of the chops are brown, put a lid on your pan and finish cooking them for 50 minutes. When your timer goes off, take the pork chops out of the oven and stick a meat thermometer into them. When the thermometer gives off a temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, you're ready to serve and eat. And here you have the pork chops. Bon appetit! And so I hope you enjoyed this episode of Homemade Goodies. Be sure to join me next time, and until then, keep on cooking! It was all in the cookies.